Hello everyone, ito na naman tayo sa Sir Moy Tutorials with our topic sum of finite geometric progression using Canon F789 SGA. Okay, so let's have this sample problem. So find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric progression. If the third term is 144 and the sixth term is 486. Okay, so wala sanang problema kung allowed sa board exams yung Casio. So ngayon, yung iba gumagamit ng Canon, so this is for them. So paano ba isosolve ito using the Canon calculator? So we just have to make use of the mode stat, no? So pareho lang sa Casio, kaya lang after having the input, no, ng mga given, so lalabas tayo, no? So sa calculator natin, no, so mode 36 tayo. Okay, so mode 36 is for mode stat, tapos yung AB x, so ibig sabihin dyan AB raised to a variable x. So mode 36, so input nyo ito ng input, so take note that the model function of this mode is AB to the x, and input nyo lang, no? So for the third term daw 144, sixth term is 486. So ito input natin. Okay, so you have 3, then 6, sa kabila you have 144, then 486. Okay. So what you're going to do next is extract the constant. So kailangan natin yung A and B dito eh. Okay, so clear natin, then extract the constant. So up, then right, then extract yung constant. So 1, then store to memory A, chef store A. So meron tayong A, then again for the B, okay, extract B, 2, then store to B, then we now have A and B. So what's next is leave modes, stat mode, then go to mode 1 or compute or computation. So mode 1 tayo. Okay, so take note, itong memory A at memory B, hindi na ito mawawala kahit lilipat tayo ng mode. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we need to get the sum of all terms from 1 to 5, first to 5th terms, first 5 terms eh. So that makes use of the summation notation, no? So input natin, so a, b to the x, so diba ito yung model function for each term. Okay, so from x equals to 1 to 5. So input natin, so saan mo yan hanapin? Ito apps, then 2. Okay, then input nyo a, b, then to the x. Okay, then from x equals to 1 to x equals to 5. Okay, then you will get 844. So the correct answer is letter D. Okay, so thank you guys, and thank you for listening. God bless everyone.